Load, load. Hello, hello, hello. Yep. ऑल राइट, राधे राधे दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक और लाइव स्ट्रीम में वेयर वी आर बिल्डिंग our monk. Yep. And yesterday we enabled this little dialog box which takes us to this page. Yep. And yeah, तो अभी हम यहाँ पे हैं, यहाँ से अब हमें न्यू इन्वेस्टमेंट का वो बनाना है, राइट? So let's start without wasting any time. Yep. So let's go to okay. Yep, we are here. Also, many of you will say कि why refactor and all. So I'll refactor this code. एक साथ ही बैठ के किसी दिन ऑप्टिमाइज ही कर लेंगे प्रॉपर्ली, बट दैट्स स्टोरी फॉर सम अनदर टाइम. अभी लेट्स क्विकली गेट द ऐप रनिंग फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर वी वांट, राइट? तो इनिशियली हमारा जो वो है इन्वेस्टमेंट का, राइट, दैट विल बी अ ब्लैंक एरे, राइट? तो इनिशियली वो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, राइट? तो इसमें हम कुछ ऐसा लिख देंगे कि invoices डॉट लेंथ इफ इज स्मॉलर देन 1. I mean, एक भी इन्वेस्टमेंट यूजर ने जब ऐड नहीं करी है, क्या हुआ? आना आ जा. Yep, sorry for the hiccup. Yep. So where were we? Yes. तो जैसे इनिशियली कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यूजर को, I mean he hadn't add anything here. So we do a simple test कि if this invoices dot length is smaller than 1, then you can just give me one table row and just close it, और उसका कॉल स्पैन कर देंगे कुछ तो भयंकर करके, which I don't remember actually. तो उसके लिए हम जाएंगे shed cn के docs में, है ना? call span 3. Yeah. So this I need. So let me just paste it. Table cell call span. Click on plus button to to add start to add the transaction. Cool. put up a full stop. So this is what. Okay, how many columns do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's start with 7 और क्लास नेम में टेक्स्ट को कर देंगे सेंटर और उसको कर देंगे फॉन्ट को सेमी बोल्ड और टेक्स्ट को म्यूटेड फोरग्राउंड. Cool, makes much more sense. I need a margin top of 4. How does that look? रिफ्रेश तो हो. अच्छा नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. Yep, let's do this. How about now? Okay, I just remembered. I guess MT4 is not something which we can give it to, but I can give it like what, 20 pixels. 20. How about that? Cool. इस तरह कर लो या उस तरह कर लो, क्योंकि anyhow text इसमें भी तो centered ही है, right? 20 की जगह we'll do it up sweet 16. I believe that would be good. Yes. Cool. तो इससे यूजर को पता रहेगा कि क्या करना है, right? Now let's create a button, something like this. So what we can do is copy this, paste it at the end, right? Plus I can form import, right? None of this matters, and I want to show me. See, it's perfectly visible, right? But I have to change a little bit. Chalega background accent chalega what if I program dark justifying when we rounded full cursor pointer. Cool, इतना चलेगा. अब मेरे को चाहिए कि फिक्स्ड रहे हमेशा. बॉटम ले लो 5 और राइट ले लो 5 और Z ले लो 10. This will always be here in the bottom right corner, no matter what, right? Even instead of doing a div, let's do a button which will come from this or variant देंगे हम default. I mean, let's start with default. How does that look like? Okay, I'll have to take you out. Let's find better. Now instead of background accents, I want you to have a background of background proper, and instead of you have shenanigans like this, I want you to have text, black, right? और मुझे जाना एक बार बटन में, बटन से थोड़ा जाएंगे हम। मैंने उसको डिफ़ॉल्ट दिया, सेकेंडरी भी दे सकता था। ये हाउ अबाउट BG secondary? No, background white। क्या बोलते हो दोस्तों, बैकग्राउंड वाइट कर दे? बट यार उसमें मैंने क्या कलर दिया था, मैंने उसे डिफ़ॉल्ट दिया था ना, तो बैकग्राउंड प्राइमरी को उससे क्या हो। ओह इससे कुछ हुआ तो सही, बट ठीक है चलो। बैकग्राउंड प्राइमरी 90। Cool, makes sense. But again, this will be a trigger for dialogue, right? और उस dialogue में we'll be taking entries for all of these, all of these transactions. So let's quickly do that. What do you say? उसके लिए go to alert dialog, पूरा ये उठा लेंगे। और मुझे ये पूरा यहाँ पे चाहिए। Right? Does it make sense? It will make sense to you. Just a minute, है ना, अभी सब समझ आ जाएगा आपको। हाँ इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना होगा। दिल मेरे समझा जाओ। यस, तो let's start with creating some, yes, use state। एरर भी चाहिए रहेगा, यूज स्टेट भी चाहिए रहेगा। Let's keep it this much only, right? Thing, इसको हम कर set dialog false। Leave router is definitely not needed, and I guess that is pretty much it। use state due, you could have just imported it you know, from the React on it, would have done it. Save. Of course. I just defined it. Yes. So hopefully when I click this, I should be able to see something which is cool. Cool. Makes sense. Okay. Now we are here. हमने ये सब सही कर दिया. ये इतना सही है. Okay. यहाँ से हमें चीज़ें करनी एडिट करना शुरू, right? So if I'm not wrong, there has to be a property called default openness. Just in case if you save it and it gets closed. Right. This is for temporary purpose. Close this. Remove this later. Title. Enter transaction detail. Here. Of course, input you are good, really good, but let's see. Enter transaction details. Is there a close button? There is none. Right. No problem. तो अब इसके बाद मेरे को क्या चाहिए कि मैंने लेबल तो इंपोर्ट कर ही यार. I don't have a label here. Cool. We'll do it without label. तो अब हम यहाँ पे बनाएंगे एक फॉर्म एलिमेंट. यार फॉर्म को इससे इंपोर्ट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. We create a form to take all the values. Like form schema, I'm not going to use sort. I don't like sort, to be very frank about it. Export function, मतलब अगर if it's not absolutely necessary, I'll try to just I'll just try to avoid it. Export function form also. I don't get what it is trying to write. Acha. But it's a whole single component. Export function define form. Why is it exporting it? I mean, ठीक है, we'll play along. Let's play along for a small while. Of course, this won't be an export. Profile form. Const form is equals to use form. None of this will be here. Resolver. ठीक है. Type would be of type credit. By default, let's take it at debit, right? By default. Okay, it's this from by default values, right? ठीक है. और हम तुम्हारे क्या क्या चाहिए था इनपुट में? Type, transaction name, amount, date. Yeah, this is something I have to do. What I'm doing there. Even button is imported. Input is imported. इधर फंस जाता हूँ मैं. अच्छा, ये एक फॉर्म है. ठीक है. एक्सपोर्ट फंक्शन प्रोफाइल फॉर्म उस पूरे मेन फंक्शन की बात कर रहा है, विच मेक्स मच मोर सेंस नाउ. तो सबसे पहले तो आई रिमूव ऑल ऑफ यू. उसको रहने देंगे वहीं पे और यहाँ पे हम करेंगे प्रिंट. ठीक है. इक्वल एक्स इक्वल बी. चलेगा, इतना चलेगा. अभी क्या करना है? फाइंड योर फॉर्म. ओके. और use form, and I will just delete this. I want default values from here. I will just keep for namesake just for now. An empty object. ठीक है. Function on submit. Again it will be a const on submit is equals to values cool. I believe this so far we are doing good. Now we need to get a form. Cool. Sorry, you have to go. Right. अब है थोड़ी सी फसड़, क्योंकि फुटर में डाल रखा था मैंने वो बटन. Right. So if I cut this much and if I paste it where? Here. तो हमने कंटेंट टाइटल बंद हो गया. इसके बाद क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आया। Why would you expect it here? Header से बाहर जा रहा है ये. So this all needs to be in, this was the first thing to do. चलेगा, इतना सब चलेगा, इतना सब चलेगा. अभी मेरे को क्या करना है, बटन टाइप सबमिट यहाँ से हटा के इसको दूंगा मैं यहाँ पे, और आपको दूंगा मैं हटा. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे आके so let's quickly see what this gets us. I really hope it should be at least close to what, you know, how I want it to work. So we put my name here, चलेगा. कंटिन्यू. सबमिट में यूजर नेम तो आ गया. चलो, at least we got one thing that correct. Now you have to look for this thing. Why is this input behaving weird? Anyhow, we can start by doing this. तो अब हमें फॉर्म मिल गया. यहाँ पे सबसे पहली चीज तो ये है, ये भी सही है. दिस इज अ फॉर्म फील्ड, दिस होल, और उसको हमने यहाँ पे वो कर दिया. हाँ, तो फॉर्म डिस्क्रिप्शन तो हटा देते हैं, we need it. Of course. And by the way, I gave you default open. Why are you not opening? Alert dialog, API reference. अरे यार, इसको लिखना पड़ेगा क्या पूरा ऐसे? Pretty weird, but ठीक है, चलो, I can make a click out to show. Also, take me to your label, bro. Show me your CSS. Wow. Anywho, नहीं चल रहा है text white. हाँ, ठीक है. It's not username. Let's start with type. Input placeholder field. अब what I want is कि सबसे पहले तो name is type cool class name background red 500 with 30 pixels और मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए कि यूजर clicks on it and then it changes, but yeah, I mean I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but okay, if you will not, then maybe you will have that class. Yes. ना चलेगा, and I want you to remove get removed. I believe I don't need a placeholder for you. Oh, I guess I need one. Debit. What is the short term for debit? I don't exactly remember. Short for DRCR. CR. And it has to be I don't want to make it a drop down or something. Not you, but switch. Something like this. But this is a form element. Can't do that here. Can I? Can I do that? I can actually. यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी प्रिंट कराऊँ क्या फर्क पड़ता है अभी? This has to have a हाँ. So let's see. Okay, if I to copy all of this. चलेगा उतना तो, because I believe I did not copy this. No. I need to change a few things. Form item, copy this, and form item, paste this. Form label. Where is form label? Where is form label? Here it is. अरे यार रुक जा ब्रो. ठीक है. फॉर्म लेबल हो गया. DRCR तो चलता रहेगा and I will delete this. What is it doing again? Form description. Okay. Wow. So let's see. Huh. Okay, of course there is a value, but I'm not able to see for which going to copy this, paste it here. सारे एलिमेंट्स को दे देंगे. हाँ देगा. So we are getting values out of it. Okay. It's a lot to intake, but select dr-cr. And I want some more space for it. Sorry, let's make it a 100 pixel. चलेगा. And I can select either value. Content dr debit credit. No more things for you. Content no class name is equals to dark, value is equals to debit, value is equals to credit, and I believe in form description you are not needed. A form message क्या है again? Can someone tell me? अच्छा. No. I mean, yeah. Let's keep for a while. ठीक है. Wait, what just happened? Text white नहीं रहेगा. Muted. Not of type. Placeholder. Class name. Full text. Muted. Foreground. चलेगा. Okay, this won't happen, I guess. So that is not gonna happen. So we'll have to deal with this only, but it's great. Yep. Now we'll go back to preview, submit. Please select an email. Okay. I'm just thinking, what if I remove these two lines, right? And I just do it like this. What is gonna happen now? I'm just curious. दिल मेरी तू है एक बंजारा. Yeah. Okay. Undefined. Undefined. So I get what you are saying. So an on value change basically, keeps a track of the value. Cool. Makes sense. But I have a question. उसी से देख सकते थे by the way हम. Sorry. Validations तो हम खुद कर लेंगे, but how do I trigger a form message? I mean, what if I just don't want to use Zod? How many lines to hold? Let's see. Cool. तो where were we? Yes. फॉर्म मैसेज को कैसे देंगे? बाकी इसके बाद अब हमें चाहिए क्या? हमें चाहिए sec see. Let's see here. हाँ, अगर मैं एक रिटर्न मारता हूँ तो क्या होगा? No, it did not make any difference. Cool. So we'll do our custom message thing. We'll just remove this. वैसे भी not a fan of getting messages different places. Select form control, form label. Cool. So this looks good. Now we need another form view. So I'll just copy this and I will paste this. Name will be transaction name. In the field width को let do a 300 pixel, right? We are here. Form label select नहीं रहेगा इस बार, select नहीं रहेगा, and this time it will be an input tag. Form, yes, we are going to use this. Okay, form label हमने डाल दिया, transaction name, right? अभी form item, form label, form control will take and need form go any of this. Transaction name could be what? Give me a Swiggy, Facebook ads. Stripe. Good. I can't use my brain. Of course. तो मेरे को चाहिए एक div यहाँ पे, इसका क्लास नेम होगा flex, just flex, items center, height fit, and I want you to be parallel to each other. Of course. तो कितना हो गया? 100 और 200, 300 पिक्सल, राइट? तो div की मिनिमम विड्थ तो भाई मेरे को 350 पिक्सल चाहिए और ज़्यादा. Let's do a 450 px, है ना? और justify even. Justify between that more. Cool. प्लेस होल्डर बता दो यार, एक बढ़िया सा ट्रांजैक्शन नेम का वो बता दो प्लीज प्लीज. एक उसका नाम बता दो मुझे यार. कांट रियली थिंक ऑफ एनी. क्या नाम डाल सकते हैं? हाँ, post 01, ठीक है, and whatsoever Monday post. Makes sense? Does it make sense? एक सेकेंड, लेट मी अपडेट सेटअप थोड़ा सा कमर सीधी कर रहा हूँ तो just realized my head is going out of it, but anyhow, but again it's lot more space, so let's do a width 350 pixel. No, I what made it usually. और इतना कट टू कट क्यों चल रहा है भाई? अच्छा 300 और 400 तो वही हो गया ना? ओह शिट, सॉरी, 400 ज़्यादा बैठा था मेरे को, 450 मीन। दिस इज बेटर। सॉरी, मैथ्स थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो गई फ्रेंड्स, सॉरी फॉर दैट। या transaction name, cool. Right after this I want amount, date, right, and I feel like comments amount, date और category को एक में ही क्लब कर दें क्या? Let's see, but for now copy this div and paste it here, right? Now what do we want? I want a mount, so this form field will copy itself, date, amount, date और category. Let's see, ऊपर से copy कर लेंगे नहीं तो, right? I need 300 pixels again. I just need 100 pixels. Amount. Amount. 200. And I'm gonna make it dynamic in future, of course, because let's say if a user is in using some other, maybe euros, right? So yeah, accordingly, right? You got what I'm trying to say. And it could be only type equals to numbers. I believe cool. Okay, of course. Name. Then let's बटन कलर चेकबॉक्स डेट टाइम लोकल फाइल हिडन इमेज नंबर ही तो दिया है. That's oh numbers. That's where I made a mistake, my friend. So this should show up there only now. Console में. Okay, that is weird. ठीक है, let's refresh it. Of course. दिल मेरे तू है पंजारा. 1 2 3. Of course, this looks bad. But here we are. है ना. चलो अमाउंट हो गया. अभी यहाँ पे हमें चाहिए डेट. ठीक है, तो दिस फॉर्म फील्ड आई बिलीव विल गो अवे and I'll go to date picker again, and if I'm not wrong there has to be a form. Yes, element which I will copy form field पूरा. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. After copying this, I'm gonna paste it here. Popover, don't tell me I don't have popover. Popover है, popover है. बच गए. Just need to import it. Yes. Okay, anything else? Calendar icon. Anything else? I can't copy everything. View पर दिखा तो दो. अच्छा, at least something should be visible. I'm not hoping कि भाई पूरा CN is not defined. How come CN is not defined? I just imported it. दिल मेरे तू है पंजारा. Okay, something is coming. Date of भी आ गया, ये भी आ गया. So as you can see, right? So everything is coming. Let's quickly fix all these things. We are here. Form item, form field, yes. Name, date, just date. Right? Form label, transaction date. How about that? Just चलेगा, इतना चलेगा. और यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट वाइट डालना है. पॉप ओवर ट्रिगर बटन लाइन आउटलाइन. हाँ, बहुत कुछ पिक अ डेट. यस, बहुत कुछ बट आई डोंट नीड. हाँ, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन और मैसेज नहीं चाहिए. And I feel like everything else is fine. Right, I just need to take a quick look. Render चलेगा, इतना सब सही है. Pop over as child, form, button outline, no field value, text need to go. Just need to know what is happening with the CSS, PPP, pick a date. Pop over content, train render, yes. This looks good. Huh. Pop over content class name is dark. Makes much more sense. And class name ये सब तो नहीं चाहिए. Form field yes. तो width 240 पिक्सल चलेगा. EL3 नहीं पसंद आया मुझे. remove this. सबसे पहले तो और if I'm a lot of height width. How about P0 M0? नहीं आया. Wow, then what is so let's do a thing. Let's इतना सही है. इतना मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आया. ठीक है. ये चीज़ नहीं समझ में आ रही. वो because I put an item center, items should not be center, items should, but height should be equal, no? Come on. Much better. Now what is keeping you? Okay, let's see. Font medium. Wow, अच्छा, sorry. थोड़ी विड्थ कम हो सकती है क्या? How about we start from 200 pixel? Because I'm trying to fit another element which seems impossible. Amount 8 हो गया. Category और comments 2 बचता है, right? Let's do a thing. ट्रांजैक्शन एक काम करते हैं, इसे और थोड़ा पुश करें क्या, छोटा करें क्या? It's it's not fun then. चलो, तो दोस्तों एक काम करते हैं, इसको यहीं तक रखते हैं, राइट? लेट मी जस्ट importing shell components. और इसके बाद मुझे क्या यहाँ पे क्या डालना है, न्यू, हाँ न्यू ट्रांजैक्शन डायलॉग पार्ट 1। तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं दोस्तों, एक काम करते हैं, राइट? और बाकी आपसे मिलते हैं कल, ठीक है? We will continue from here itself, that right, we almost built half of the row out of 6 we built, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, 3, अरे क्या बोलूँगा, out of 6 we built 4, right? This is also looking fun, great. Of course this is a CSS mess, we'll fix it, right? तो कल कंटिन्यू करते हैं, ये हो जाएगा, इसके बाद विल शो वॉट एवर ट्रांजेक्शन इज हियर इन टू द टेबल एंड देन विल सिंक इट विद डेटाबेस एज वेल। तो दैट्स अ स्टोरी फॉर सम अदर डे, कि कल मिलते हैं आपसे, ठीक है दोस्तों? चल, राधे राधे।